Congrats!
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Yung Mondays to Sundays na effort you guys paid off. We are in a world-class theater, an historical theater in the Philippines.
Sobrang nakaka-honor because syempre Meralco Theater, bata pa lang ako, may Meralco Theater na it's one of those places na you dream to perform in and now it's our home. You get to do this regularly here. So nakakatuwa na the entire team entrusted Vibe to be worthy of Meralco Theater. Kaya maraming salamat po sa TV5 MVP and the group of companies. Thank you. Solid.
How are the rehearsals like for this kind of theater?
Grabe, almost buong araw po kami nagre-rehearse. Buong day talaga para lang, of course, mabigyan yung fans and yung other viewers ng maganda show.
At dahil doon, naranasan din namin ni Paolo maging sabay-sabay.
Kaya nga, try nga natin paano magsabay-sabay. Hands up, Gabriel!
Mamaya yun. Makikita yun mamaya.
Pero in fairness ha, I'm sure kinoment kayo ni Mr. M then sabay-sabay na kayo ngayon.
Wala pa naman kami naririnig na praise. After the show yon. After the show, kung ma-pull off namin yon.
Huwag mo batiin, di ba tapos yung live? Baka may mangyari mamaya.
Sample naman na sabay-sabay.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Sorry.
Iba yun.
Oo, pero I'm so happy for you guys.
Thank you, Ate MJ.
Congrats. Thank you. Thank you guys. Thank you.
Are you staying?
For a bit, I'll just finish this kasi kailangan kong bukas.
Kailangan mag-roll.
Thank you. Tas kuya,